A complex and potentially dangerous weather pattern is developing across the United States on January 30th to 31st, 2025. We're looking at intense snow squalls that could create treacherous driving conditions in many regions. Meanwhile, severe thunderstorms are brewing, bringing the risk of hail and damaging winds. Urban areas should be on alert for flash flooding, as heavy rains could overwhelm drainage systems. What's particularly striking about this system is the dramatic temperature swings. Some places could see temperatures soaring 15 to 25 degrees above normal, possibly breaking records, while others are stuck in winter conditions. This unique combination of severe weather threats is something we haven't seen in a while. Stay informed and prepared because this is a situation that demands our attention.